everyone, welcome to my channel. So I hope your new year has been off to a great start. So I just came back from a ski trip and we actually had a really great time there. There are not a lot of people and the lift, it's easy to get on, not a long line. And we actually rented this townhome kind of house, so you don't need to share with anybody. And also wearing a mask is not that miserable anymore since it's cold outside, and it's good to have a mask to protect your face, keep your face warm. So we definitely had fun, I think, in this new COVID era, not so new anymore. I think ski or, snowboard is definitely a safer sport. I think we can enjoy with family and friends. Since it's outdoor also, and most of the ski resort, they limit the lift tickets. So I think maybe at 50 or 25% of capacity. So yeah, I would say if you get a chance to, if you have a ski resort which is close to you, you should definitely consider this to be a way to get out of the, I don't know, this routine, to stay at home life, to enjoy some nature, have some fun with family and friends. So I definitely recommend skiing somewhere close to you by driving. So I can put a small video here that you can see my son definitely enjoyed his time there. His 4-year-old, and this is the first time he get on the skis and everything. He did an excellent job. He can actually went down the beginner level hill with us without any difficulties. So let's cut to the chase. So today I'm gonna show you this very, very popular bag, also by Chanel. And so the Pearl Crush mini classic flap in the square shape. So here we go. I bought this bag back in the summer last year, so around June. So I wasn't very sure whether I needed another mini classic flap. I already have 2 of them. So I did some debating myself, and then I realized, well, this is different, right? This is with the pearl, which you can adjust the strap. So I'm like, okay, let's just try it. So I bought it. Now I'm just so happy that I made the decision, because ever since summer, ever since I bought this bag, I think it's suddenly in very, very high demand. I mean, I'm not saying when I bought it, it's easy to get. I still, waited a little bit. So my sales, she pretty much like, you pay something and then like a deposit, and then I'll get it for you. So that's how I get it back. But just think about the Chanel strategy in terms of pricing. It's just so ridiculous. Like last year, they increased the price, I think probably twice or something. And then they just increased the price again just this month. So I was like, what do? I don't know. I still love Chanel. So after I bought this, I never really get a chance to use it, to wear it, because I don't have anywhere to go. So this baby pretty much in the box from the day I bought it. So I'm happy to do this unboxing and review with you. So here we go. Here's the pearl. Oops. So here is the bag. Yay. So here's the bag. You can see it's black with gold hardware, and it's in lambskin. I'm okay with lambskin, although they're actually pretty easy to get some scratches. But I really like the texture of Chanel's lambskin, so I mean, I'm fine with it. And you can see this gold hardware is not those kind of shiny, what do you call them? There's a name for that color, but this is more like a vintage color, gold color, which I love very much. It goes very well with the black lambskin. And this is the pearl. And I don't remember how much more I have to pay to get the mini classic flat with the pearl compared to the regular one, like without a pearl. I don't remember. I think it's probably around $200. You pretty much pay this for like over $200, right? But you know what? I think it's still worth it because sorry, I still have the tags on. It's just because it's so, wow, it's so easy to adjust your bag. I know some people complain about the mini classic flat being too long, like the chains being too long, but this one is like, it looks great. It looks great on my waistline. You can see it looks great on my waistline, like right here. I love it, definitely love it. And for this pearl, I think people don't mind to have it in front, to have the pearl in front. So now I like adjust the chain to the longest, which is still not bad. I think this is just a regular length for a bag for mini classic flat without the pearl. So now with this pearl, you can make this a waist bag. Yeah, you could do that. And I'm just being silly here. But of course you can make this like a with a top handle bag, shoulder bag or something like here. Sorry, my hair is so messed up. So like this. You can also make it shorter. And you can hide the rest of the chain after you adjust it. Because it really bothers me. It really bothers me, like if I make it really short and this part is just lingering around. It's just kind of funny looking, I think. And sometimes, you know, when I shop, when I walk around, it's like, it can hurt me pretty bad. So this is the end of this chain. I think it's really cute. This is a small pearl and adjustable pearl. So you can easily tuck, like hide it. So you can hide this thing in here. That's a lot of people do when they have the regular classic, mini classic flap. I know they kind of hide the chain, they make adjustment, they tie them from here to make a shoulder bag or shorter. So now this is a lot easier. I did not do a good job, but you get a sense of it. So now I made adjustment. So I make it a lot shorter to make a shoulder bag. So you can see. It's like this. So I was actually hoping like this pearl can somehow like right next to the top where the chain started right here. So it will be a lot easier. Like visually it will look nicer than this to be a shoulder bag. It's fine though, it's fine. It's fine with me actually, not so bad, so you can see the pearl. But anyway, yeah, so this is a good way to make this bag more versatile. You can do different things with it. Anyway, so I really love this bag. I think this is a great decision I made. I bought this bag, and I never have this classic flap in this shape, the square shape, so I got this one. So when I bought it, I know there's another, the rectangular one. This is pretty much the same, it's just the shape is different, also with the pearl. So that one is like a 200 more. cost-wise compared to this one. So, and I can put my iPhone 11 in it. That's not a max version though. It's just a regular iPhone 11. So it fits perfectly inside. So I'm using my phone recording right now, so I can't really show you, but it's like perfectly, you can perfectly fit inside in a snug way. So I don't think you can put a max in it. Well, I never tried and I don't have one, but you can definitely try that. Maybe if you by any chance can see this bag in the store, you can maybe try that. I also like the interior of this bag, as you can see. So it's golden color as well. It kind of created this vintage feel of this bag. So I absolutely love it, and I would recommend, if you like it, go buy it, because I don't think they have this bag in the new spring 21-22 season. I don't see that. I see a lot of, you know, the tie-dye color, the blue and the pink, the mermaid, the ombre color, but I didn't see that in the new season. So I know this bag is still in very high demand, hard to get. But you know what? I think this will come back for sure. Since they're so popular, I mean, Chanel, they know what the consumers are thinking, right? So I think even if they don't have it in this new season, this will come back. It's so versatile and practical, right? But I have to say, if you can buy it earlier. As early as possible, because they increase their price twice a year, regardless of any pandemic or anything, right? So, so this is a review for you of the Pearl Crush Chanel bag. I enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy the bag and the video as well. So this is my review for you on the Pearl Crush Chanel Mini Classic Flap in the square shape today, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any comments, please feel free to leave them in the section down below. And I don't remember how much this costs for now. I don't know. I forgot to mention, yes. So when I bought this bag, this was $3,800. And I believe the rectangular one is $4,000. But now I really don't know how much, since they increased the price. I don't know how many times, 2 or 3 times already. So if you know that, please leave me a comment there. Let me know. Otherwise, I think I will see you next week. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.